Hey guys, I wanted to take a second to show you how to create a server and add a mod and whatnot. So here I am on the Minetest. I have the Minetest main window open, and you can first of all you can click around these tabs which open up different options. Pretty much the three that you'd be concerned about is start game, join game, and content. So those are the three. Start game, we're going to focus right now on start game, and I want to create a world. So let's say that you don't have a world here. I'm just going to delete that one. You've just downloaded Minetest. Well, what you can do then is you click new, as just kind of implied, and I'm going to say test. Don't worry about the seed. MapGen V, that's V7 is good. And you are probably going to only have two options. Go with Minetest game. Don't really, just leave everything else as default. I should say, just leave it all as default. Now we've got our world, but we want to add some mods. Let's say we created a mod. We want to add it. Well, it should be in the mods folder, and by clicking configure, you should see all of your mods in this menu. So here is my mods folder, and I added mobs, and so I see mobs here. I also see Minetest game mods, and that is the default mods that just come with the game, so that it's not just completely bland. So I select the mod that I want to enable, and I check enable, and that's good. So we click save. And from there, we are pretty much all set to go. Before I click play game, let me show you join game is how you would then connect to our server. So if you want to know how to connect, come see me. I've got a little card for you, and you can connect that way. And then content. This is a way to, as you may have learned last class, a way of finding other mods and adding them to your world. Kind of fun to mess around with. If you're not sure how to get a mod to work, just go back and watch the last video or one of them, and that should clear that up. So, all right, so we are going to actually play this. Oh, whoops, I forgot something. So let's press the escape key, exit to menu, and I want it to be in creative mode so that I'm able to get whatever I need. Now you can technically do this even outside of creative mode. You can get whatever you need, but let's just flip that, check that box, and whatever, that's fine. Don't worry about hosting a server. It's probably of no benefit to you. All right, so that. Now we're in the world, and let me make this the right size here. Okay, so I'm going to open up my inventory, and you see that this is the old original inventory, and I can just kind of scroll around and look. And so you should be able to, with a mod that you've added, and if you've registered some items, then you should see them in this menu somewhere. If you just kind of scroll around, you should see them. Last thing I should let you all know about is, since you are this is your server, you are the admin. You want to go ahead and type grant me all, and by default you are not granted all, and that'll give you all the privileges. And then if you type HJK, it gives you fast privs, fly privs, and no clip privs. So that allows you to go into the ground. No clip allows you to go into the ground and through things. It just makes it a lot easier if you're moving around your world. So that is pretty much all that you need to know to kind of get started with your server.